Let go of the dog.
Hey, look!
Brent got the trash bag.
Quincy!
It's on the...
Quincy!
It's a Queasy!
All right. Santa knows you like squeezies.
Put him back in his car, Kate.
Here, eat it.
This.
Oh, you need the lid. Here.
Why don't you sit in your
You
car
want to sit
and
in
eat
your car
it?
and eat it? Here you go.
I think I'll just dance around.
Yeah, come here.
Don't walk on it.
I want to
Go
get a shot of
around.
his pajamas.
Go around.
This way, honey. There we go. Hi. There you go. Hi, Jack.
All right.
What are you doing?
Daddy.
Hi.
That must have been my Queasy.
My queasy.
And it's not. Let's go
You
get
don't
a
have any
tissue.
Christmas music, do you?
I do.